Hi, my name is Steph Evans and I represent Evotech CAE Ltd, a design optimisation and FEA consultancy who are also Apex Elite partners for the MSC Apex product portfolio. As part of our user engagement, we've developed a series of guided Apex video tutorials and case studies to give new and existing users a unique insight into the next generation capability of this new toolset. New users have described Apex as enjoyable, engaging and even addictive, not usually terms you'd associate with an FEA program. Supported learning can take hours, not weeks, complemented with Apex embedded movies and examples. Our Apex 101 series takes this a step further and is focused on detailed yet easy to follow tutorials of how many FEA tasks can be approached in Apex. New concepts are covered such as direct modelling and meshing, analysis verification and Python-enabled automation through real-world examples based on typical industrial problems. Used to its full potential, Apex allows for significant reduction in the overall time from CAD to results, regardless of whether you're using standalone Apex or in companion mode to support an external FEA solver. You can subscribe at evotechcae.com to be the first to receive updates on the new tutorials and all Apex developments.